Alright, welcome back to the devlog for Rogue Tanks. This is day 6, working on it. I mean, the new stuff isn't particularly flashy, but I do think it's pretty cool. So now I have mouse menus, so you can click on stuff and it'll move on the mouse, you know? And now I've got mouse support. Well, on the menus, not in the game yet. That'll be coming later. That's definitely something I want to add, is mouse control. I'm gonna have to have like a whole input selection system that I don't have yet. Besides the mouse controls though, I also have some 2-player stuff figured out. So now if we get to the end here, you'll be able to see that I was kind of working on it last week, but it wasn't, I was just started, I hadn't like gotten anything figured out yet. But now you can have independent players pick what they want and it will carry over per player. So that's cool. Oops. And actually, I might as well go ahead and demonstrate this as well, but hold on, let me... Actually... Oh, my choice has been made for me. I'm using red. Red's got the faster bullet speed now, because of the last upgrade he picked. In addition to being able to pick separate upgrades, you can also revive a player. One of the upgrades is to revive a player, and it only shows up in multiplayer, obviously, you know, because if you just play one player, or it won't even show up unless someone's dead, but I mean, it still has just like a random chance to show up. So basically, one of the upgrades is armor. In this, now, if you're playing multiplayer and the number of players does not equal the actual players on screen, then the armor upgrade changes to the revive upgrade. The player who picks that doesn't get an upgrade. So I mean, if you have 4 players, one of them has to sacrifice their upgrade to revive a fallen player, and then the fallen player doesn't keep their upgrades. They start off, they basically reset to a basic tank. It's still a big deal. I mean, getting another player back, even if they are a level 0 tank, I think is a worthy purchase of an upgrade. It's kind of a strategic move, you know? So yeah, I got the same upgrades as before, and then I got this revive one here. I guess the revive script is actually more complicated than any of these other scripts. Revive a player. I do have an array to save which player gets destroyed. It's a 5-slot array because I don't use the 0. So player 1 will be saved in slot 1, player 2 will be saved in slot 2. And the reason I did that was I was trying to figure out a way to revive a player. And then, well, let me go into the script. I'll be able to explain it better. When you pick this revive option, it checks revive slot 1. So it's check slot 1 is player 1 dead. If so, you know, revive player 1, set that slot to 0, which means that there isn't a player 1 dead. Creates a brand new player, they're basic again. If there isn't a player 1 dead, you know, it'll revive player 2. And it'll set that slot to 0. It checks the erase slot to see if there is... Really, it just if there's a number, because it'll always either equal 0 or 2. This one will always equal 0 or 1. This slot 3 will always be either 0 or 3 because it just saves the player number in it. I don't know, it's just an easy reference for me to figure out how to do all that. Oh yeah, and then the revived player is automatically set to ready so that they don't get like an upgrade pick. So you can't revive a player the same round that they died unless another player was already dead as well and they're like numbered before the other player. So yeah, there is a preference for player 1 and player 2 over like player 3 and 4. I don't know if I need to be detailed so detailed as to let the player pick who to revive. When you go to a new room, that's when it picks the upgrades at the beginning of the room. Here, if the number of players does not equal the instance number of object player, then it knows somebody's dead. And so if upgrade 1 is an armor upgrade, change it to a revive upgrade. Or if upgrade 2 is an armor upgrade, change that to a revive upgrade. So it has to manually pick which upgrade to change. And then for some reason it wouldn't go away, it was always revived, like the armor wouldn't come back. And so now I have this else statement where if there aren't dead players and if a revive upgrade pops up, change that to an armor upgrade. I don't know why I had to do that, because it's picking these upgrades from the original array of upgrades. So I guess there's some way that arrays are handled where it saves that somehow. I'm not sure why it would do that, but putting in this extra block of code, you know, fixed it. So just letting you know about how arrays work a bit. But
that is pretty much what I got done for day 6. Thanks for watching. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. You got any suggestions? Let me know about those as well. Let me know what you think about the project so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.